We'll now proceed with adding a basic program to the sensor. Choose Standard Mode from the options. IV Navigator will automatically adjust the brightness and focus. Opting for Smart Image Optimization will generate various imaging conditions. Indicate the intended target within the captured image. Several imaging conditions will be generated. Once the process is finished, you'll be able to see a selection of AI-generated images from which you can choose. Choose the desired option. Trigger options. We're going to select External option since we'll be triggering it from the PLC. If not using the Smart Image Optimization, you can make adjustments to brightness, focus in this area. Setting modification can be performed here. Next, the focus settings can be performed as well. Possible focus adjustments are displayed as yellow dots. Select desired option, or manually adjust with the -+. Digital zoom is available with options of 2x or 4x. We'll stick with the default settings and proceed to the next step. In order for the evaluation to occur, it's necessary to register a master image. We'll utilize the live image to register the master. Press on Trig to capture the live image. After successfully registering, we can proceed to the next step. Choose the Add Tool option. Among the available options, we will select Outline. Modify the window until the desired detection is achieved. Different fine-tune outline sensitivity are available. You can utilize the Remove Outline feature to eliminate any elements that are not crucial for inspection. The Limit Adjustment function is utilized to fine-tune the judgment threshold. In this demonstration, we'll be modifying the rotation range to accommodate rotated labels. Proceed to the final step. We will skip this step and hit Complete since we will be using Ethernet to send and receive data. Pop-up window will display to save program changes. We can now proceed to Run mode and perform some testing. You have the option to select the window or process to observe the inspection window or outline process. Now let's proceed to observe the label in different rotated states.